Welcome to our room. This is our beautiful study nook over here. We've got our lovely day bed so you can sit and read your book and look at the trees.
But you could sit here all day and just
You could. It's a beautiful, comfortable space. It is, it's lovely.
Got our integrated desk with storage underneath. And then in here...
Day bed storage underneath.
What did I just say?
Whatever, let's come in. Wow.
This is our beautiful multi-purpose room. You can use it as a bedroom or as a lounge room or both. Got our lovely bed that, yes, feng shui this way, but you can see a tree when you wake up in the morning, so it's really beautiful. Got your lovely lounge area, you can sit and read a book, and you've got your TV that is on a bracket, so you can rotate it towards the bed or the lounge, and lots of storage.
I don't love the wallpaper, but that's just my own personal opinion either. I don't love that. The more I look at it, I kind of go, don't love it. I'd rather just look at the beautiful tree outside.
What a great space to be. Look outside. It's raining outside. I'm not moving from this spot.
Welcome to our room.
our winning room.
Yeah, come on in. This
Come
is
on
our amazing prints. George loves the MJ. And then a beautiful double desk for the kids to study.
It's a big study, isn't it? You could run a business from there.
If you've got to do a deuce, that's our beautiful water closet.
Welcome to my kids' room.
Winning kids' room. Come on in. This is our beautiful teepee. This is for sleeping.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Look at it.
It's so cute.
This is so plush. So
Don't
if
hit
you
your
fall, you're not dead.
And let's just appreciate this beautiful graphico artwork.
Boom. Automated blinds.
Yeah!
Shut the gates. Well done.
This is my favourite room, and I love it. He loves it. We hope you love it.
Welcome to our room. Let's have a look around. Come on.
All right, we've got Kinsman cabinetry.
Beautiful showing.
Games cupboard, drawers, social distancing, 1.5 metres apart here at the desk
What about the
space.
artwork? Let's roll on through.
Here in
Here's
our
the bedroom.
bedroom.
Have a look at this.
Beautiful, so comfortable. We can't sit down too long. We've got a big ass fan above us here. Beautiful little rabbit. This is my favourite here in this bedroom for a bit of storage. Beautiful colour palettes, very spacious for a fifth bedroom. Come this way, there's a secret surprise.
Do you want storage? Have a look at this. 18 square metres of attic space.
It's so smart.
It actually really is. It gives nothing away. It doesn't have to be too tidy. It's hidden.
Because he literally had the right roof space for it.
Oh, is there more?
But there's more.
Plenty of room in here, lights, PowerPoints. Use it however you want. We hope you love all of our rooms as much as we do.
Welcome to our room. Our beautiful custom cabinetry floor to ceiling around our monster TV. Our lovely studying area for all the kiddies.
And don't forget the couch.
Wow, This is plush.
Our massive big wide hallway. Woo! Come in here. Look at this, look how much light.
Oh, how big is this bedroom?
Oh, this is.
Wow.
I love this.
VJ solid colour feature wall.
I designed these lights myself. Bed bench when you just want to chillax.
And our lovely little rest area here. Look out over the pool. Read a book. We love it. I hope you guys did.
Do too.
Welcome to our space.
Welcome.
So this space here is just something that kids can hang out in. It's really comfortable.
Kids can spend all day up here playing games.
That is one big TV, and I agree, it is a little bit high.
Oh, yeah, that's easy fixed. You can drop it down.
Oh, yeah, it is a big TV.
Welcome to the last bedroom of the upstairs area.
Check out the colour palette. We've got beautiful graphico print here, made by Damien, which is a one-off. A nice little area over here to
Do
sit.
your homework.
Hey, cabinetry's awesome in here, babe. Look at this. I love these handles.
No, it looks really good.
They've got a real Scandi feel going through the whole house, haven't they?
Yeah, we love this space.
Yep, we hope you guys love it as well.